Welcome to my knowledge. In today's video we will discuss basics of SolidWorks. First of all, click on File, then on New. In New tab we will see templates for part, assembly and drawing. We'll select part and click on OK. After this we will go to a new page showing us features, then sketch. In sketch we have rectangle, circle, line, etc. Then markup, evaluate, MBD dimensions, SolidWorks add-ins, in which SolidWorks simulation is very important. We will discuss it in detail. And also SolidWorks CAM, that is about computer aided machining. So let's begin with sketch and features. We have this model tree. In model tree we have history of previous commands and sensors, annotations, material selection, front plane, top plane, right plane. In SolidWorks we draw our sketches on planes or surfaces. So I'll select front plane and start sketching. First of all, I will start from rectangle. In rectangle we have 5 types of rectangles. I'll select this type, in which I have to give the center of the rectangle and its diagonal distance. Now click on Smart Dimensioning and select the side, drag it, click again. You can enter the dimension over here. Let's suppose it is 2. Now go to Smart Dimension again, click over here and enter the dimension, suppose 1. Now we have the rectangle ready. Let's click on the green tick to finalize the sketch and exit the sketcher. So the sketch is ready. It is in blue color now. We can go to features, extruded boss base, and here we can extrude it blindly up to certain distance. Suppose I enter 3 meter, it will be extruded up to 3 meter. Now I can extrude it from mid plane as 1.5 in positive Z direction and 1.5 in negative Z direction. I'll select this. You can drag and rotate it by using your center mouse button. So now the solid box is ready. After this we will go to sketch, and you can sketch on the top plane, front plane, right plane, or you can sketch on some surface. Select the surface, click on sketch. To see it from the front, click on this icon and we will see the plane right in front of us. Now I will draw a circle. Just draw a circle of any dimension, then we can dimension it by using smart dimensioning. Click on the circle and here we have the diameter. Let's enter the diameter to be 1.5. Exit the sketcher. So now we will go to feature and we can extrude it in any direction, in this direction, or we can change its direction from here, but I want to extrude cut it. So I will click on extrude cut, and in extrude cut we can cut through the solid or up to certain surface. Suppose I click on up to surface, then I have to select the surface up to which I want to extrude. Let's select this, and we have the cut section. The circle has been cut from the 3D box. Now the next step is, suppose I will sketch a rectangle on this surface. Go to sketcher, click on sketcher, again see it from perpendicular. Now I will draw a rectangle, center rectangle, click on this center, and I will draw a rectangle of, click here, 1 meter wide and around 0.5 meter high. So now exit the sketcher. You can change the view from here or see in isometric from here. Now I will go to features, again extruded cut, select this rectangle. Currently it is in blind extrusion. I will extrude it up to certain distance, and then this is how you can extrude cut something from a 3D part. I will select this surface, will sketch a polygon, and the center of the polygon will be here. Click anywhere. I will change the sides of polygon to 8, and the radius can also be changed from here. Suppose it is 0.4. Exit the sketcher. Now again I will go to features, extruded cut, and cut through. So that's how you can cut features from a 3D object. One more feature in the features tab, and that is fillet. So in fillet we have constant size, variable size fillet, face fillet, and rounded fillet. We'll discuss one by one. Select all the edges, or let's start from one edge and fillet it up to 0.2 meter radius. I'll select this and we'll see it works. Now let's right click on the fillet, go to edit feature. Now I will select the other edges as well, one by one. So after selecting all the edges, I will click here, and all the edges are fillet of 2 radius. Now I will fillet again. We'll keep the fillet radius to 0.1 or 0.15 meter. Select the edges that you want to fillet. Suppose I want to select these two and the internal edges. Once we select all the internal edges, click here. The radius is bigger than the space available. I will reduce the radius from 0.15 to 0.05. So the radius is done, and this is how you can do the fillet. There are some other features that we can discuss, like material selection. Right click on material and go to edit. You can assign a material to the object. Suppose I assign SS to this object. The properties are also given. You can modify it as well. Apply and close. So this is now SS. You can change the appearance from polished to brushed, etc. So after this, you can also change the background. Suppose you can change it to plain white or something like this. So these are the other options for the background. We will keep it 3-point ferrite. You can also assign or turn off the shadows. You can change to perspective view from isometric, and also cartoonize the object just like this. The edges will disappear in cartoonized view. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe and watch further videos for SolidWorks tutorial. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.